So to start off, I'm going to go in with the PYT Beauty Lip Gloss, and I'm going to put this on just to keep my lips very moisturized while I'm doing my makeup. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm going to use this orange shade in a big fluffy blending brush by Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to put that all over my eye for my transition shade. So now I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade. Off camera, it looks very hot pink, but when I mix this and that orange together, it gives me more of a peachy look. And that's exactly what I'm going for. The brush that I'm using is the Real Techniques 301 brush. So to make sure I have everything blended correct, I'm going to go back in with that first color and that big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my eye again. Here, I'm just going to go back in with that hot pink shade just to deepen it up just a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I want to give like a little highlight in my tear duct, but I want the highlight to be color. So I'm going to use that yellow color and I'm going to put that in my tear duct, and I'm also going to put a pinch of white on it just to brighten it up a little bit more. So now I'm about to go in with some lashes from the company called K Lashes, and I'm just going to apply that with some Kiss eyelash glue. So moving on, I can never find the right shade, so I have 3 different shades. The first one I showed was the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation. The next one was the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation in the color Chestnut. And the third one was the Juvia's Place. I'll leave that color in the description box below. To blend that out, I'm going in with the Real Techniques foundation brush in the number 200.
Move your house. Move your house. Move your house.
To conceal my face, I'm going to go in with the LA Color Girl Pro Matte Concealer in the color Fawn. You guys, this is so affordable. I paid $3 for this. If you guys want to see me do an affordable makeup video, just let me know in the comments below.
Your house. Your house. Your house. Your house.
To blend that out, I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques highlight brush in the number 413.
Move your house. Move your house. Move your house.
So I actually want my concealer just to be a little bit lighter. So I'm going to go in with the Stay Matte Concealer by Rimmel London. I'll leave the number below. And I'm just going to put that right underneath my eye. To set my face, I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You guys, I love this. This is so universal. I've used this on dark people. I've used this on light people, and it still gives no flashback. And the beauty blender that I'm applying it with is the Miracle Powder Beauty Blender by Real Techniques. It's very important to set those places where you put the concealer at, just so it doesn't like crease up. I like to do it really under my eyes because that's where I start to crease, and around my lips. So on the side of my lips, I like to put extra powder there just so I don't crease up throughout the day. So I've never found a good contouring shade, so I'm going to go in with this red from Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm just going to contour my face with those reds.
Move your house. Your house. Move your house.
So when you're sweeping this powder away, make sure that you sweep upwards so that you can blend it all together, because the powder can just sit there and then just look cakey in one spot. So make sure to like move it in circular motions like I'm doing now. So now I'm going back in with that BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take that yellow and I want to put that underneath my eyes just to give a hint of yellow underneath there.
Move your house. Move your house.
So now I'm going in with the Too Faced Apricot and Act palette, and it comes with the red side, which is like bronze, and then the other side, which is like a highlighter, and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. And the brush that I'm using is a fan brush by Real Technique.
Move your house.
So now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London lip liner, and this is in the color Zen 0. And I'm just going to line my lips with this. I like to overline just a tad bit. Even though I have big lips already, I still like to overline it just because it looks so cut and clean. Now I'm going to go in with that Magic Collection eyebrow pomade. You guys, I use my makeup products to the fullest. And I'm just going to darken up that Zen 0 just to give it that dark look that everybody has. For the inside, I'm going to go in with the color Caught You Bare Naked by Wet n Wild. This is a Stay Matte concealer. It was very affordable, I think like $2. And I'm just going to put that on the inside and just like pump my lips. And this is my finishing look, you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, all of those things. And I'll see you in my next video.